Here are all possible solutions to fix your iPhone 17e not ringing for incoming calls. The first thing to check is silent mode. Press and hold the side button until you feel the haptic feedback, which is a vibration that confirms the action, and turn off silent mode. If it's not working or is disabled, you can customize it from the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Action button, then set it to silent mode. Alternatively, you can disable silent mode from the control center. Tap the bell icon to turn off silent mode. The next solution is to adjust the ringer volume. Open Settings and scroll to Sounds and Haptics. Move the ringer and alerts slider to the right. Make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is enabled. You can also press the volume up button while you are on the home screen. Now the third solution is to turn off Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Open the control center and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. You can also manage all focus modes from the Settings app. Open Settings and scroll to Focus. Delete any unwanted focus modes or turn off Auto Schedule if it is enabled under Sleep Focus or any other focus. If it's still not working, try the next solution. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap Bluetooth, and turn it off. Your iPhone might be automatically connecting to a nearby device. If nothing works, try calling your phone from a different contact or check the ringtone settings to make sure the correct ringtone is selected. Open the Settings app and go to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and tap Ringtone, then choose the correct ringtone. I hope this helps you fix the problem. If you need more help or have any questions, feel free to comment below. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates.